This week we're going to continue to focus on poetry, but we're going to kind of shift our focus on the feelings that we get from the words or phrases in the poems. The words that suggest feelings. Now, if you've watched the video that I posted, you're going to see there's different types of feelings that you can have. You get feelings of love. You can be happy, sad, or angry. Sick and disgusted are kind of the same thing. Disgusted was used in the video that you watched. Scared or worried. You can be very worried or you can be very scared. A little bit different because I can worry that I lost something, or I could be scared because I got lost myself. Or maybe you could have feelings of being silly, but there's other feelings that you could have, but these are some feelings here that will help us with our poetry this week. Now, we're going to start with our first poem that I'm going to read, and it was called Too Early. Now, it looks like breakfast, a waffle with some raspberries and blueberries and an orange for a mouth. Okay, so we're going to read this poem called Too Early, and we're going to find those words or phrases that suggest a feeling, how this person who wrote the poem is feeling, okay? Now, you can either circle the words here and write the feeling next to it if you're able to print out this poem, or you can make a T-chart. Write the name of the poem, Too Early, the words, and then the feelings they suggest, okay? So I'm going to help you out with this first one because it's a new concept, okay? It's a new idea of what to do. So it says too early. Now I'm going to read this poem first and you just get a general idea of what this is about. Too early. Mom says to wake up. I don't want to. It's the middle of the night, right? I have a question, thinking maybe it's the middle of the night. Wrong. Dad makes me a cheer-up waffle boy with blueberry eyes and a fresh citrus smile. Oh, that explains the waffle. What's he so happy about? I think the author here is wondering what the waffle boy is so happy about, since it's early in the morning and the author has to get up. So let's go back now. Think about what's happening in this story, or this poem. Think about it. Now, let's go back and find the words or phrases that suggest feeling. Now, right here, just the title, Too Early. Let's circle that, because too early makes me think maybe the author is unhappy or upset because it's too early in the morning to be getting up. So I can circle those words or phrases and write the word upset, okay? Or I can write those words here, too early, and then feeling upset over here on my T-chart, okay? Mom says to wake up. I don't want to. I don't want to suggest a feeling. So if you say, I don't want to, how are you feeling? Well, are you feeling happy? No, not if you don't want to. Maybe you're feeling kind of angry or mad. So I'm going to say, I don't want to suggest the feeling of angry or mad, maybe. You can write either one because they're kind of the same thing. Angry. Okay. It's the middle of the night, right? So he's asking a question. It's the middle of the night, right? Maybe he's feeling like he's hoping that it's the middle of the night. So maybe I could just circle the word right and say he's feeling a little hopeful. He's hoping, the author's hoping that that he can still go back to sleep for a little while. Wrong. Dad makes me a cheer-up waffle boy. Well, if you're going to cheer up, how are you feeling if you're cheered up? How are you feeling if you're cheered up? Can you pick one? Maybe I can write that here for words cheer up. I want you to write cheer up on your T-chart, or you can circle it here and tell me what the words cheer up make you feel. I want you to fill in right here the feeling. If you cheer up, what feeling is that? What feeling would that be? Would it be love, sad, angry, happy, sick? Well, let's go on down and read more. Cheer up, Waffle Boy. That sounds cool, though. With blueberry eyes and a fresh citrus smile. I'm going to circle that word smile. I want you to think about what feeling does that word smile suggest here? What word could smile suggest? Either you can write here what the word smile suggests, or you can write over here. What feeling does the word smile suggest? How are you feeling if you're smiling? You can write that here for me. So you can write those two right there. What's he so happy about? Well, it's a question, but it's not a nice question. What's he so happy about, is it? What's he so happy about? Well, what feeling does that suggest? How are you feeling if you're asking, hey, what are you so happy about? How are you feeling if you're asking, what are you so happy about? Are you feeling happy? No, you're not. How are you feeling if you say, what are you feeling so happy about? I'm going to write that there. What's he? I'm sorry. What's he so happy about? Was that a nice question? Oh, what is the author feeling there? What does those words suggest this author is feeling? What's he so happy about? I want you to use your feeling chart to fill in 1, 2, 3 feelings that these words here suggest, okay? That is your job. Either you can write them here. If you are able to print out your poem, what are those 3 feelings, okay? Or if you're not able to print out the poem and you have this cheat chart, cheer up, smile, and what's he so happy about? What feelings do those words suggest? That is your job for today. It's not hard. Just get it done and turn it into me to show that you understand words and phrases that appeal to or suggest feeling.